The beauty of a spring day at Blagdon Reservoir near Bristol. The 200 hectares of water supplies much of the city and outlying villages. It has to be clean and made safe for drinking in compliance with EU standards. Bristol Water has installed 7 aquarators submerged under these green buoys, which help clear the water of manganese and keep the oxygen levels high. Air from this compressor is pumped into the aquarators through underwater pipes. The idea is that by keeping the water moving and mixing it up, it's less likely to become polluted.
Initially, one puts air in through the tube there. That causes a flow inside the actual aquarator, and it causes water to go in through these veins here. The two mix within the tube, they rotate and come out of the tube rotating and entrain more water as they go up to the surface.
And what makes this different from other ways of aerating lakes?
What a lot of people don't realise is bottom water is denser than top water, and if you don't reduce the density, it goes straight up and straight back down.
Tony Wines has been developing ways to improve water quality in reservoirs for 40 years. As well as designing the aquarator, his company, AMG, also installs and maintains them. One of the signs the water is aerated is the number of trout living in the reservoir. The water is oxygenated, clear and free of metals like manganese and blue-green algae, which make the water look green.
Reduced manganese levels here means that we're not removing the manganese at the treatment works. So that is reducing the cost of chemicals being used to treat the water. And there is the added effect that besides controlling manganese levels, they could have a beneficial impact on controlling blue-green algae blooms. Blagdon doesn't actually suffer from those at the moment, but possibly with climate change that may be something that happens in the future.
By 2015, all lakes and reservoirs in Europe are going to have to comply with the Water Framework Directive. That means they have to provide clean water and a healthy environment for wildlife. Now, some councils in Britain are already using the aquarator to achieve this, and it's working. Lakeside in Doncaster used to have a problem with algae. Now the water is clear and an attraction for visitors. The wildlife has returned. The bubbles and plume across the surface show the aquarators are doing their job.
The benefits of the aquarator in the lake have been an improved quality of water from the increased dissolved oxygen and uniform temperatures throughout the depth of the lake. The algal bloom has disappeared, so it is now safe for members of the public to use the lake for recreational purposes. We've noticed an increase in the fish population and the wildfowl populations.
Fish farms in Scotland and Norway have also used aquarators to improve stock. Salmon thrive on a uniform temperature, plenty of oxygen and lack of algae. Lakes and reservoirs all over Britain are set to benefit from this efficient and cost-effective way of keeping water clean. Over the next few months, Tony Wines and his team will be installing aquarators in other parts of the world too. A sophisticated and patented system hidden under the water, leaving the tranquility of the environment undisturbed.